everybody, it's Xana P. Today I am going to show you my daily beauty regimen. Beautybound Asia gave us 2 minutes for this, so let's start!
I am a year-old YouTuber from the tropical country Philippines. I didn't want the hot hair tool to melt my makeup, so I curled my hair first. I like my curls a little bit messy and crazy, just like my personality. My friend Iris introduced me to BB creams. Then I started exploring the internet about it, and bam! I was hooked to YouTube. From the basics to the craziest makeup tricks, you can find almost everything that you want to know and learn. YouTube became my first makeup teacher. And she still is. But the website would be nothing without the creative content creators. They're more like a best friend, a mentor, an entertainer, or overall like a life coach who is just a click away. As long as they have internet connection, that's why it's not surprising if a lot of people are aspiring to be like them. What I learned from my online besties made me more skilled, creative, confident, and inspired. My 1 year on YouTube made me find something that I'm really passionate about. And it would be an honor to have that kind of influence on other people too. And being a part of Beautybound Asia would make my passion 100 or maybe like 1,000 or 1,000,000 notch further. Oh, by the way, did you notice? I'm done with my hair and makeup. We are down to the last step to become the most beautiful you. Mix 1 part water and oil in a bottle and generously spray it on your face. With makeup, we can be anything that we want to be, but always stay true to your heart, believe in yourself, made up or not, we are all beautiful.